Hello, my name is Laura Rojas. I am studying psychology. Page 3. Consolidate and design your infographic. Chichen Itza. The best known construction at Chichen Itza is the Kukulkan Pyramid, a stitched pyramid with a square base measuring approximately 75 feet in 80. The Kukulkan Pyramid was built for astronomical purposes and during the vernal equinox March 20 and the autumn equinox September 21 at approximately 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunlight bathed the western balustrade of the main staircase of the pyramid. This causes 7 isosceles triangles to form imitating the body of a snake approximately 37 meters long that creeps down until it joins the head of the hung serpent carved in stone at the bottom of the staircase. Interesting facts. Where is it? It is located in the extreme north of southeastern Mexico and more especially in the Yucatan Peninsula, one of the states of Mexico where fortunately the ancient ruins of the main cities of the Mayan civilization are still preserved. It is natural cenotes, and architecture is made by man. The cenotes are underground lakes that are formed over the years that to the rainwater that shape the topography. They are submerged about 20 meters underground. Chichen Itza is a pre-Columbian archaeological site built by the Maya civilization. The cenotes have a diameter of 60 meters and their walls reach 22 meters in height. The pyramid of Kukulkan is a pyramid of 4 sides that culminates in a rectangular temple. It stands on a rectangular platform 55.5 meters with and has a height of 24 meters. Each side of the pyramid has a large staircase, 91 steps per side and one more than lanes to the upper time. Give 365 steps, one per day of the year. It can be visited by tourists who have several days to see this wonder of the world. Visit the castle or the pyramid of Kukulkan, places like the game of the board. Also enjoy buildings such as the Temple of the Barrio, the Observatory, or the Sacred Cenote. What are you doing there? Dear Dad, I am in Mexico and I'm going to visit Chichen Itza. It's one of the most important archaeological sites. I like the pyramid or the Kukulkan castle. It has snake hints at the foot of the main staircase, which has 365 steps for the days of the year. That there are many steps. I feel calm in this place. The aquatic cenotes are wonderful. It is an incredible place where you get in contact with nature. Chichen Itza is a fantastic place, full of knowledge of the Mayan civilization. I want you to know this beautiful place. With love, Laura. Thank you.